Hello. Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn about how to make logos. And logos are very important things because everybody needs logo. Either it's a company, either the content creator, or a school, or anything. And it's the best part to earn money. And logo is like a story. Logo is not something that you made it or anybody made it. The logo will tell the story of the company, and in the due process is become the inseparable part of the company. So today we are going to learn how to make uh, good logos with the help of Canva. And in Canva also, logos you can make from templates, scratch, and with the help of AI. Okay, and in the end, we also going to see some websites which allows you to make logos. So first, we start with Canva. Uh, we are going to learn how we make very good logos in Canva. So we start with templates. Templates are ready-made logos that are made, and we can adjust that according to our uh, needs. So logo is nothing but you have to understand the story behind the logo. First, we have to understand what is the need of the customer, what is the profile of his company or anything, educational institute or anything. Then, according to that, we have to design the logo and decide the colors. And to make a good logo, we have to keep in mind that the logo should be as simple as we can make. If we make too much jugglery in the logo, then it won't look good. You look any logo, Coca-Cola, Facebook, any logo, they are very simple and minimalistic. They have two or three colors and two and three fonts. Okay, so your logo should tell the story of your company. Okay, so let's start the presentation. So I'm sharing my screen. First, I'm going to tell why should we. So why should we make uh, logo in mainly in Canva. Okay, there are lots of platforms available on which we can make the logo, but we prefer Canva. Because why we prefer Canva? Because first, Canva provides us lots of templates to make logo, and it's very easy process. It's also provide us many tools to make logos from scratch. First of all, it's a very trusty brand, and it's trusted worldwide. And it has AI powered tools like Dreamlab and Magic Editor. From that, we can make very good logos, perfect for everyone. It's first of all, Canva is very easy to use, and it's not very costly. So it can be used by entrepreneurs, freelancers, and create anybody. So how you can make logos from Canva, step by step, I will tell you. Okay, so you can see different logos here. Okay, so you can see that these logos look very good because they are minimalistic in design. Not lots of fonts are there, or lots of things are there. Okay, so we have to make that. Thousands of free and pro logo templates are here, industry wise. Okay, perfect match and how to identify template that align with your brand personality, values, and target audience. Make it yours. And if we like some logos in templates, we can use and customize it and make it your ours. Okay, and second thing which now Canva has introduced, that you can use AI to make your logo. So if you want to make logo from AI, so what should you do? You have to tell the AI that what is your vision behind logo, what type of creation you want, which color patterns you want, and which type of design you want, like modern design, sci-fi design, mm, old classic design, anything 3D design, anything you can tell, and according to that, it will give you four designs, and that designs are also editable. You can change multiple, can make multiple changes simply typing in the chat box that I want this change, I want this change. It will make change according to your need. Okay, and when the final product come, you can also go in the Canva editor and make change in that also. Okay, see, fixing and refining AI generated logos, like fine tune the basics. Magic edit is also there. Magic erasure is also there. Okay, now after making your logo, what should we do? We download it and use it. Okay, they are real world success stories and inspirations. Okay, let's dive into how to make logos from Canva. First, we are going to learn how to make from templates. For that, first we have to open Canva dashboard. This is the dashboard, and we will going to type, click on templates. Now, in the chat box, we write logo. Simply write logo. All types of logo will open. So, see which logo you want. Whichever logo you want, you simply click it. See, lots of logos are there. Lots of logos. This one I like. So this is simple and elegant. So I liked it. Now I clicked it. When you click that, then lots of other logos will be there with A word because you have chosen a logo with A letter. So it will show you lots of variations also. Okay. If you want to change to another, you can click on that. If you want to customize it, simply go and click on customize this. Now this will open on Canva dashboard, Canva editor. Now, first of all, what we do, we have to click on the logo and see how many layers are there, how many elements are there. This is the standard practice. If you go for anything's template, first go and see how many elements or layers are there. Because when you practice it and understand it, you will see that this simple logo is not made by one or two elements. There are lots of elements. When you understand that, you can make better logos or designs, anything. So we will click on position and click on layers. Now, when we click on the layers, we can see that it has been made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. And on whichever elements and whichever elements here you click, that will be shown here. And what are the details are also shown here. Font, size, everything will be shown. Okay. See, see, wherever I click, it will show that now I want to make this logo for my company. So A is okay. So I am writing Arawi in space of I write my name, Agrawal Industries. Now I want to make changes in the font of C. In this A font, I want to make some changes. I can make it. See, when I click on this circular one, see, this has been marked, okay, by the square. And on the above panel, you can see it is made of three colors. See, three colors are there, and all the colors are of variations of light blue. And from clicking here, you can change the colors also of these circles one by one, not all the colors at a time. Whichever color you want to change, you can change it. See, I am changing it to a yellow color. See, okay. If you want to change the another one, lighter one, this one, click here. You can change this also. Okay. Now I am changing the fonts of industries. Okay. After changing the font, I am putting some space between the letters to look it more visible. Now, what should I do? I will I will make change in the letter A, something in the letter A. For that, what should I do? So, like, let's see. Now, I have made one design. Okay. Now, I want to make variations of this design. So, what should I do? Either I have go to everything, change either colors, fonts, everything. One thing we can do, simply we make a duplicate of this logo and go to the in design section here, and in design we go to the style section. We go to when we go to the style section, this type of dashboard will appear. In this dashboard, three things will appear. One is combination. This is color combination. Another is color combination with font C1. This first one. Second one is color combination. So if you go and click on that, see, if I choose and go to color only, color combination, any color combination. When I click it, see, one color combination will appear. If you want another color combination in that, I again click it. If I like it, I will leave it. Okay. See, see. Now, for that, I am changing from color combination from another color palette. Okay. These are the color palettes. This is on a green one. See, I can make from the green one. So when you change the choose from the color palette, your fonts don't change. Only your color palette change. Now, if I go for font sets, only font will change. See, see, fonts will change, not the color. If I like the color, I want to change the font set. I can use this font sets various options. Okay. So from one design, you can make multiple designs for your client with different color combination, with different font combination. Okay. Now I am using combination, which is color and this one. So the first one, let's see. Okay. So various colors. When now I want to choose the color combinations with fonts. This one. In this, what happened? This one combinations. With this color combination, these fonts will be there. With this color combination, these fonts will be there. Okay. So we can try lots of options, and thus we can make multiple logos from a single logo with different color combination, with different fonts, and whichever we like after comparing, or our client will like, we can accept that. Okay. Now you can even want to change the background. Simply click on the background, change the background. Anything you can change. See, lot of options. It depends upon your creativity what you want to do. And earlier I have said you told you how to change the background, how to make a gradient, everything I have told you. So see, you simply experiment it with it. You can make lots of option. I am making an outline option and making it. So you can experiment it with. You can do lots of things. See, I want a blue outline, so I use a picker tool to have the same color which already in the logo. See? Now change the position of the A also. Now now I've duplicated the circle and making it more. See what I am doing. See, see? If it's look good, okay. So all depends upon what you want to do. Everything is in your hand. You can do anything. If you want, if you liked it, download it in the PNG format. Now one logo we have made. Now we are going to find some logos according to industry need. Okay. So for that, in the templates, we have to write logo, and after logo, we have to write the name of the industry. Okay. So after logo, I am writing educational purpose. Okay. So it will give me logos which are made for educational purpose. See, lots of logos are there which are made for education institute. So whichever logo you like, you simply click on that. When you click on that, that logo will appear, and you can click on the customize button. It will open on the Canva editor. Now you can change everything. First, we have to see the how many elements are there. 4 elements are there. Now you make the changes. See, I'm changing the color in the logo. I'm making it a different color. I'm changing the background. You can change the background. Click on the background and change the background. Okay, according to your need. So I'm experimenting with the color now. This color is looking good. Now what you can change, if you want to change the font, what you will do, go and click on the font. Now I am going to design and going to style, making with different color variations. Okay, see, I'm simply clicking on the color palette. Different color designs are appearing. Okay, so you can make lots of variation of same logo. You can change color with fonts also. You can change only fonts also. You can change only color, only fonts, and color and fonts both at a time. Okay, 3 options are there. In 3 options, multiple options are there. After that, let me go and look for another logo for any, like logo for gym. See, if I type logo of gym, lots of gyms logo are there. Now I can customize any logo whichever I want. See, one logo I'm liking, this one, yeah, okay, this one, the red beat. No, not this one, not this one, the red beat. Okay, I clicked it. Now when you click here, okay, when you click here, one thing you see that it has with 2 variations. One is that and these 2 variations. So whenever you make any changes in this logo in the template, same changes will be made in that. Okay, so what we'll do, we go and customize this template. Open the logo in editor. Now I'm changing that red one to see, first what we do, we go and see the position. In position, we see how many elements are there. See, lots of elements are there. Now I'm changing the red color to yellow color. So what I do, in the position, I click in the position, you see, you go in the position part. See, again, you see, when you go in the position, first you go to position, you see this red part is there, click there, and the color will appear here. And from there, we can change the color. See, I clicked on the red part. Now red part is appeared. Now I'm changing it to yellow. Okay, I've changed this to yellow. Okay, now what I do, I want to change the person's color also. So I click on the position, the person, and now I'm come to edit, and I make a shadow, glow shadow around him in a yellow color. So I have to go and click on the yellow and change the color to yellow. Okay, now adjust it according to the size and everything according to my need. Okay, now second thing I want to do, to change the font of the fitness center. So go there and click on the fonts and change the fonts according to your need. Now if you liked it, see, other options are also there. If you want to change in the options, other options, you can change the options also. And if you want more designs in that, simply go to design part and change the color or fonts or anything you want. Okay, in combination or not in the combination, it's not a problem. Okay, so but this type we can make logos from templates. Now, if you want to make logo from scratch, what should we do? We we have to type here only at here logo. So all the logos will appear and one create a blank logo sheet will appear. We have to click here. Okay. After clicking here, we got the canvas. Now, what should we do? To make any logo, first we know our need to make a logo. So for our need, what is the company name, what the company does, what the company's need are there, what it's a color combinations, everything should be know. Okay. So first we're going to create an idea. For that, what should we do? For that, we go to ChatGPT and tell what we want. So I want a logo for a digital marketing company whose name is DGX, and they provide multiple solutions in digital marketing. Okay. So the company name is, so I want the customer asked me to make his logo in black, orange, and white. Black and orange. Okay. So never use more than three colors. Okay. So black, white, and orange. Okay. This is the specification. Now I am going to ChatGPT. Here I write in ChatGPT what I need. So I'm typing, I want to make a logo for a digital, for a company. I have to write the details. Okay. So I'm writing the details. Company name I'm writing DGX Infi. Okay. So why I'm doing so? I'm doing so to get the idea, and according to that idea, I'm going to make a logo. Okay. I'm writing the color scheme. The color scheme will be black, orange, and white. Okay. Which the customer has provided us. Now after that, we will type that which which type of style we want. If we want a modern style, we can write a modern sci-fi style or modern and futuristic style. If you want an old classic style, we can write. We can if you want a retro style, we can type a retro style. We can okay anything you want. So I'm giving the detail to the chat GPT about the company and what are their needs. Now give me ideas to make, create logo on Canva. Okay, this is a simple thing we have written there. Okay, if anything spelling mistake is there, we can see. It will give you some idea. The DGX Plus logo. Okay, a sleek word mark with a futuristic X. Everything you can see. After that, whichever idea I will like, I will use that. Okay, so I'm liking the second idea. This second idea. This second idea is good. Okay, or first idea is good. Okay, so see, it will give you which font you have to use. Write DGNX in the uppercase. Change the X to the orange. Okay, so I'm using the first one. So first I have to write DGX infi. Okay, see how we can enhance our design. First, we have to write from scratch. Now, what it had mentioned that we can use fonts, these three fonts. So we go to see that these three fonts are available or not. Uh, so this font is not available. So we go and try another font, that is Montserrat. Montserrat. Okay. Now we click on the font and make it bold. Now, what it has said that make X orange. So we what change the X to orange and make it slightly larger. Now we will go to Canva and make select the X and make it orange. Go to the color palette and make it orange. Okay. Now one problem is that when you make if you want to increase the size of the X, it won't uh, increase separately. All the words will increase size will be increased. What should we do? We will first write DG only, then X in phi, and then adjust it and make the X bigger. See, I make three copies of that. From that, I am deleting one by one part and joining them. See, in the first one, I have removed from DGX in phi, I have removed X in phi. Okay, and in the second one, I have removed DG and in phi. Only X remains. Okay, and in the last one I will remove DGX. Now I have now one word into three parts. Now I am joining them. Now I can increase the size of the X because it's the separate one. Now increase the size according to your need, adjust it. Okay, okay, adjust the placement of that, all of that. Now go. Now what we have to make, add a thin pulse or pixel line. So we have to go to the element in the Canva and look for that. Let's find that. No, So we're going to look for the lines, tech lines, see which tech lines, which it all depends upon which one we like on. We have to try. No, it's not looking good. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to look for another one. Let's see, let's see, let's see. No, this one is not also good. No, no. No, we are going to look for another one. So it depends upon. So this one is looking good. This black one, okay. Let's adjust it. No. Now we have to adjust this one according to our need. We go to the position and click on the that element. Now we increase the size of the element and adjust it. See how we can adjust it? I'm putting the circle in the D. Now it's looking much better. I change the color of that design to orange one. Okay. So what I have done, I made the DG and infi into the white and background to black. Now group them all. I can increase the size. Now we made a logo from scratch. How much time it has taken? 10 minutes. Now one thing is missing. We can write a subheading or what we call that tagline of that company. So for that we go to ChatGPT and ask for the tagline. Okay, we again go to the ChatGPT. And ask about the tagline. Give me a tagline. Okay, so it is giving me some tagline options. So I like this second one, building brands for the future. I copy it and paste it in the text box, selecting the text box and pasting it. Now adjust the size and fonts. So which fonts we are going to use? That is Montserrat, because we have already used Montserrat for the above one. So our font should be similar. We never use lots of multiple fonts, not more than two fonts. Okay, it will make our design more uniform. Now see, if you like it, building brands for the future, if you want to give effects, see, you can experiment. I want same color, so I use a picker tool. Okay, same color has been there. Now I will change the roundness thread Everything I will see according to my need. You can make it little blur. Okay. Now, if want more variations with more colors, simply copy it and go to design and choose any color palette. Okay. This is the design we have made. Okay. So when we practice, we can make very good designs, but it will take some time. It will take some time. Now, the third thing is I am using Canva AI. So for AI, I have to give a prompt. So I want to make design on the which concept? Give me a prompt. I'm asking from ChatGPT to create a logo for third option or second option, whichever you like for third option. Okay, because it has given me three options. First, I have made from scratch. Third, I am using to make from AI. So it has given me three prompts. Okay, so whichever prompts I like, I will copy it. Okay, and paste in the Canva AI section. Copy and go to Canva AI section. Click on the Canva AI and paste it into the Canva AI. Paste in the chat box. Now click enter. Now it's thinking. It will give you four designs. See, so it has given you one, two, three, and four designs. So if you like anyone, click on that and go to use Canva editor to customize it. Now I want to customize it. First, what I will do, I want to make X in orange color. Same orange color, we go to the plus button and use the picker tool. Okay. Now again, I want to make X last. So what should I do? I make three copies of that and separate all the words or DG separate, X info separate, and then combine them. And after that, I will make same process. I will repeat, which I have earlier told you. Now we will add all them to make a word. Okay, our company name. Now I want to increase the, let it adjust now. I want to increase the size of X. Simply go to the there and increase the size. Okay, now adjust it. Adjust it according to your need. Now I'm adjusting it in such a manner that info is going above the X and DG is going below the. Okay. Now, if you want more variations, what will you do? Go to design and change the color fonts. Now, if you like it, download it. So, in this manner, we can make logo from AI also. I will repeat the process. What is the process? The process is that go to ChatGPT, explain what you need, and ask for the 3 or 4 prompts, and use all the any prompts or all the prompts, and for every prompt, it will give you 4 logos. And you can edit that logos in the Canva editor according to your need. Now, I'm going to use 1 or 2 sites where you can make logo. One is name cheap logo site. See, they just name cheap logo site. Okay, here you can make logos. It will ask you company name. See, you free logo maker, your brand name. First, you write the name of brand. My brand name is DGX Infi. Now, create free logo. It will ask few questions also. Now, what is type of business? Okay, so it is digital marketing. Now, it will ask you which type of fonts you want. So it will ask you to select 6 type of fonts. You can select. You have to select 6 fonts, 6 type of fonts. It will give you different variations in those fonts with color combinations. Okay, so I've selected 6 fonts. See, pick your favorite. Now you can choose the color palette. Okay, any color palette you want, you can choose. Now you can choose icons also. Some icons it has given according to your need. You can search for the icons also. If you click on any icon, that will appear in your logo. If I don't like it, I will write AI. If I don't like it, I will write another thing like digital marketing. See? So if any of the logo you want, click on there. It will be adjusted in your logo. It has given you different logos with different color combination, different fonts. Okay. So if you like it, any logo, click on that logo and use in the Canva editor. Okay. Now another site I will tell you, that is design.com. It's more it's a good site. So same process is there. First you have to enter your business name for which you want logo. So I'm writing Bata. And what is that? Keyword is that is footwears and shoes. You click enter. Now that lots of options are there. Okay, lot of options are there. Now when you click on that, it asks for login. You log into the account to use its editor. Now when you click on any logo, it will give lots of variations with the logo. See, color colors. So whichever color you want, click on that and then go to continue. Now if you want to change the logo text, you can write here, or it has given you some options also. Okay, if you're okay with that, continue. Now if it is a slogan here, you can write any slogan. It will give you the AI suggestions also. You can write your own. Now you can see that it's give you the logo with different placements of the elements. Whichever element logo you like, click it, but you can't download in the free version. Okay, so this we can use to make a logo, and if we like that logo, we can simply make that logo in the Canva also. Okay, this is the editor. This is the editor one. Here you can change the color of the shoes also. See, you can change the text here, edit the text here. Lots of things you can do. Adjust the, if I'm adjusting the size of the Bata trends now. Click on the shoes. In the shoes, lots of colors are there. I can change the size of the shoes. I can change the color of the shoes. Okay, when you click on the shoes, you get, see, everything you can change after that. Okay, so you can't download it in the free version. You can make it. Okay, and if you want to use that, simply go and take a screenshot of that and uh, edit in the Canva editor. Okay, so these two are the sites where you can make logos simply entering your details. But ultimate thing is Canva, which is very important in Canva. So I'm going to repeat that in Canva we can make logo in three ways. First, using templates. Second, from scratch, and third, from AI. And two sites are there to make logos also. Lots of sites are there. I have shown you two sites. You can go and experiment there. Okay. So this is all we have today with logo. So logo is nothing else but is a storytelling. So first you have to understand the plot behind the story and write the story, and your logo should say the story of the company. Okay, so practice it, and if you practice it, you will get more and more details, and you will be fine tuned. Okay, so try to make logos for different fields like gym, for parlor, for salon. Um, First use from templates, then try to make it from scratch. Okay, then try to make it from AI, and sometimes you can use all of them in combined. Okay, so use it. If you have any problem, you can write to me. Now on next Tuesday, we are going to have classes on video editing, and this is a very important class. Uh, it might be complete in one class, or it might be complete in two class. That will depend upon the time. Okay, so thank you for attending the class, and good night. We will meet on Tuesday again at 9:30 p.m. So thank you. Bye bye.